On today's episode of Here's Your Sign, taking down the old LED board and going back with just an old school changeable copy reader set. No wasp nest, that's good. I'm hoping we can just bust these loose and there's like a nut on the inside of the cabinet is my hope, but I can just cut that. Hopefully not. Well, I guess we're gonna find out, eh? Oh. You mentioned wasp and I see that bug.
Somewhere right up in there.
This is where they connect.
Okay.
But I don't know if our main, I guess our main power is probably on the other side. It's not showing anything coming in here. You wanna, yeah. It's not reading any power. This is the data line. That's good. And there's that's our power. Cut it.
You do better cut each,
Yeah.
each one individually.
Too late.
Push it back through as much as we can. And now, we're gonna have to get under there and take that nut off.
Yeah. Slice and dice. Okay. I had to kind of pry it. Just want to be sure. That's our jumper. Okay. Yeah.
Get it out of the bottom, I can't pick it up.
Yeah, it feels, it's either really heavy or it's wedged in there. A quick little pit stop back to the shop, grab a ladder, back to the site. Should have cleaned off the spider webs as well. Okay, I got it. ease on down here so we don't die. Okay, see it in action. Oh, that was very anticlimactic. All right, let's see if we can. Oh yeah, it's not that bad. Okay, one down, one to go. You have a shackle? Gross. Down off my ladder. I don't know if it's me shaking or the ladder shaking. You like our MacGyver?
Whatever works.
It works. They were just a little too heavy for us to be in the basket with them. So. Okay, hold up. Let's go to you just a little bit. There you go, that's good. Can you go up some more, Michael? Okay, we're wedged up against the pole right here. Okay. Can you go up, or what happened? Come on, baby. Okay. Let's see if the tape starts on this one. You're coming home with me. Hot.
I'm just proud of the sheep.
Oh, yeah, thankfully. Oh yeah, that looks better. That's it. Here's your sign.